This is Althea speaking on behalf of CSZNet, an information technology company founded in 2001. Please enjoy this preview of our management approach for the Office of Healthcare Programs Portal Project for the Office of Residential Care Facilities within HUD OHP. First, let me point out that this presentation was produced by CSZNet AI Studio Services. Our AI video techniques add value by enhancing deliverables with video accompaniments, improving communications in a multitude of languages and with your own personal avatars when appropriate, engaging trainees with polished production, and much more. CSZNet and its leadership team bring qualifications that are well matched to the ORCF performance work statement. It helped the District of Columbia launch its health benefits exchange portal and led the development of the external interfaces. Its CEO and COO previously worked together at a government outsourcing company where they led the technology and operations development for transaction processing for outsourced state government programs. Specializing in the complexities of child support payment and financial processing, they introduced innovative AI technologies to that state and federal market. Its CEO and COO both began as PMI-certified project management professionals. It currently fills project management positions through its IT staff augmentation business practice. Its CXO brings a wealth of data and reporting experience from within the publishing industry. Finally, CSZNet fills many customer support and training positions for its clients and, most recently, introduced its AI Studio services to improve training and communication throughout organizations. CSZNet's management approach for the Office of Healthcare Programs Portal Project can be summarized as follows. Project initiation includes tasks such as assembling relevant documentation, including PPM lifecycle information, preliminary business requirements, and cybersecurity and privacy requirements, and constraint documents. We will identify stakeholders and gain an understanding of user groups, transaction types, and volumes. The most important activity in our management approach is elicitation, organization, and verification of requirements. Project success can never be achieved without identification and comprehension of verified requirements. CSZNet is a proponent of modeling and, in particular, the use of decomposition models for work breakdown structures, portal functions, business processes by role, and the use of entity relationship models for enhancing comprehension and context. Our recruiting team will recruit, hire, onboard, and monitor project talent that best fits the needs identified during project initiation. Finally, post-implementation, we will ensure portal users are trained and supported using innovative tools and techniques such as AI Studio services. Our quality control plan will be tailored to ensure identified pain points are addressed and user support is effective. Let's take a slightly deeper dive into two defining aspects of CSZNet's management approach: requirements and modeling. Eliciting and verifying requirements is critically important for project success. The business analysis body of knowledge identifies 9 characteristics of high-quality requirements. A function of our quality control plan is to clearly define the meaning of each and how they will be applied. This is also a great opportunity to produce a video to reinforce this understanding that can be shared with all stakeholders. The performance work statement clearly lays out 19 pain points that will be verified and included as requirements, along with how successful addressing of each will be measured. This list provides a great start to our requirements gathering effort. The PWS also identifies 36 constraints that will be reviewed, clarified, and related to WBS tasks to ensure compliance. Whether compliance must be implicit or explicit affects level of effort and is one of many requirements that must be clarified during project initiation. Our recruiting team will look for talent already familiar with these rules, regulations, laws, standards, and conventions. Similarly, cybersecurity and privacy requirements must be verified within the context of this project and will inform the talent recruitment process. Finally, and most importantly, the business requirements contained in Section 5 of the PWS will be elaborated and verified according to BABOK best practices. CSZNet is committed to modeling as a valuable project practice. Examples of decomposition or breakdown models include work breakdown structures, organization charts, as-is and to-be process models, as-is and to-be system functionality models, etc. Consider the draft PWS that was released by ORCF as a Word document. In practice, the PWS is a document that will be accessed thousands of times by potentially hundreds of stakeholders. A CSZNet best practice is to convert the Word document to a PDF file, add hierarchical bookmarks and annotations, and make it available to all stakeholders. This decomposed, drilled-down, navigable form of the PWS will both save time and increase the likelihood it will be referenced when needed. See how easily a stakeholder can drill down to the section of the PWS related to workflow. They will then see our notation about potentially using the Q-based workflow engine from within our exemplar product. By decomposing the PWS and adding annotations, we make it a more usable project artifact. Entity relationship diagrams can also be a highly effective tool. Here's an example of one such diagram that CSZNet developed and references frequently that relates to CSCRM and CMMC compliance. It includes useful hyperlinks to supporting NIST documents as a valuable time saver. Thank you for watching this brief video describing our proposed management approach for your portal project. You're off to a great start with your draft performance work statement. We look forward to an opportunity to bid on this exciting project and welcome the prospect of working with you in the future.